Let's open it. Wow! It's purple, guys. Oh my god, I love the color.
Wow!
Super nice niya, guys. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I'm going to unbox my iPhone 12 Purple! So, eto na siya guys. This is it! My dream phone guys. Finally, nandito na sa kamay ko. Aww. This is iPhone 12 Purple 128GB from choices.ph. Thank you so much, choices.ph. Bagong investment na naman, charot. So, eto na talaga guys. Eto yung pinili ko kasi purple na purple talaga siya.
Wow.
So, if you want to purchase an iPhone, just go to their Facebook page, choices.ph, and I'll put the details on my description box below. So, you can purchase your desired iPhones. Grabe guys. Smooth transaction. I know guys, hindi siya latest, but you know, it's my dream phone kasi purple na purple talaga siya. Regarding sa latest, the iPhone 14 Pro or the iPhone 14 Pro or Pro Max, hindi ko masyadong bet yung pagka-purple niya kasi deep purple and dark. Okay lang, but eto talaga yung dream phone ko guys ever since na nag-release to. So at that time, wala pang budget. But finally, andito na siya sa kamay ko. Nabili ko na. After 3 years, nakapagpalit na ng phone. Hindi na tayo magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Let's go! Let's get started! Paano ba to? Oh my God, guys. Super nice. Box pa lang. Ang ganda na. Parang ayaw ko i-open guys. Parang gusto ko ganito na lang. Charot. Parang gusto ko lang i-display. Diba? My God, guys! This is it! Let's open it now. So first, guys, let's open the plastic. Ooh! That. Let's open it. Wow! It's purple, guys. Oh my God, I love the color.
Wow!
Super nice niya, guys. My God, super nice. I'm speechless.
Sana all.
Oh my God, so pretty. Super nice. Grabe, guys. Ooh. It's amazing. Let's open it. Paano ba to? Sorry, I'm so ignorant with this. Paano ba ito yun? Yan, nag-open na! Hello! Sabi niya hello, guys. Hi! Nag-hello na siya, guys. So, piliin natin yung English. Philippines. And pasok natin siya sa Wi-Fi namin. Yan. Masok na siya. Face ID. Face ID with face mask. Wala akong face mask right now. Passcode. Eto lang yung laman sa box. Etong USB wire. Nandito pa rin yung sticker. Grabe guys, ang kuripot na ni Apple ngayon. Eto pa pala. Of course, meron pa rin free para sa SIM. So, ayan lang guys. Eto lang sila lahat. Super pretty talaga. Finally guys, Apple iPhone 12 Purple. I already have it. my dream phone. Ito talagang gusto ko, yung pagka-purple niya. So guys, I think yun lang yun. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. If you like it, please like, share, and subscribe! And don't forget to click the notification bell below para laging updated sa mga bagong videos. So see you on the next vlog, guys. Bye!